we just got the motor mounted to the antenna, and of course this antenna, normally all this material spools up inside of a retaining canister, and right now it doesn't matter if it's spooled up in there or not, because the canister is not powered in any regard. You can see it just coils itself up in there. We'll test it again when it's all together, but just to give an indication that we've got the clutch cleaned up and operating, go ahead and operate it there, Steve. It's a long antenna. Okay, and then don't intermittent the wire there, Steve. Just keep it on solid. Okay, so now we're coming down. And now listen to the clutch. Okay, stop. Because this is a manual antenna, you kind of have to listen for the clutch. When it goes click, click, click like that, that means you've reached the bottom. There's no interrupter in this electrical or torque sensing or amperage sensing. So anyway, after cleanup, by the way, the primary problem was this unit was missing this snap ring right here that holds everything into place. That was the reason for its original failure. So we have replaced this with a proper snap ring and got all the gunk out of it and so on. So it's operating well. That's our story, and I'm sticking to it.